Today's first reading once again lays out the beautiful vision of the promised land to those who are returning from exile in Babylon. And so the vision is of the land which will be allotted to the desolate. The Lord says, "Come out to the prisoners." He says, "Show yourselves to those in darkness. Along the ways they shall find pasture. They won't hunger or thirst. The scorching wind or the sun will not strike them." And so this is a vision of new life after the exile, and it's a beautiful vision. It is a vision of divine justice. It's a vision in which everyone will share in the good things of the earth. Everyone will have pasture. No one will be hungry or thirsty. God continues to call us to create this new world today, a world in which we recognize the dignity of each and every human being, a world in which all are considered and treated as truly equal, a world in which everyone has a chance to thrive. God is also telling us that He will not do it alone, that God needs us to create this new world. And so that is our mission, to create this new land, this new world in which there is dignity, equality, and justice for all. And God tells us that we're not alone as we pursue this. If you look at the final verse at the bottom of the reading, it says, "Can a mother forget her infant, be without tenderness for the child of her womb? Even should she forget, I will never forget you."